Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We are in a chicken restaurant today. It's called Swiss Chalet here in Canada, and you can see these waterless urinals are plugged up. So we're going to be opening up the clean out and snaking it out. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M18 drain snake, and we're going to get everything flowing properly. So let's just get some more light in here. All right, so that's that. So we're just going to be opening this up, the clean outs. Oh, hey, have you told them about it yet? What's that? No, I haven't yet. Okay, make sure you do. Thank you. So guys, before I get this started, I do want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers who also has a channel. It's Mount Washington Seward. He's on YouTube as well. Go check him out if you guys haven't already. Thanks. And if you guys wait till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how these waterless urinals work. Why does that screw gotta be that long? 1.5 inches, that's all we need. We're gonna be snaking this clean out. All right, I'm just gonna move you guys closer so you can kind of see what's going on here. So like I say, I'm gonna be snaking this clean out, and we're gonna hopefully everything goes down here. So you can see the water went down. So what we're actually going to do now is we're going to be pulling these cartridges out. So I gotta wash these down, but how these things work is that blue puck inside, it looks like a urinal puck. Well, it actually breaks down the acid in the urine, and once it's gone, this actually closes up and it won't allow anything to go through. So it wasn't completely gone, like as you've seen the water went away, but Once we come in and snake it out, we always replace it. Look at the build up inside there. So we're just gonna wash that down. So now we just need to pull the cable back and then reinsert the cartridge. So these urinals don't actually have a trap on them. So it just goes directly to the drain line. And that's what those pucks also do. They help reduce the smell. There you go. So, on there. Now, just clean up. Alright. I think that's it. So I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Go check out that Mount Washington sewer. Get him up to, I think as of recording this, he's at like 69 maybe subscribers. Let's try to get him up to 100. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogma.